Hey you guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how, oh my god, I'll be showing you how I did my stickers for my daughter's invitation. It was real easy peasy. And if you're like, girl, they're gonna throw the invitations away anyway, baby, this video is not for you, okay? I'm extra, okay? I'm extra. So you will need Cricut. I did have to purchase I didn't have to, but I didn't feel like it. I purchased the PNG from Etsy, uploaded it into my Cricut design space. Y'all haven't used this in forever. My Cricut has literally been in my basement for the last 3 years. Dusty, real dusty. You gonna see the footage. But this is me basically just resizing it. I think it was like a 4x4, 4x3.89, something. I don't know. But y'all, I didn't know we can now make stickers using Cricut. It's been that long, you guys. So these were the directions, instructions. This is how I did it essentially. I used the Kiss cut and I did border. I did a thin border. Now, if you want a thicker border, please select that option and you are able to change the border color. I didn't know that, y'all. I feel so old. So once you get it to how you want it, I don't know why I had to say, but you're gonna hit make it. It is a print cut job, so you'll have to print it with your printer and then cut it using your Cricut or either some scissors, y'all. This is the paper or sticker paper that I use. I got it from Avery. Y'all, it only came with 7 sheets. Now, I messed up 3 or 4 sheets trying to figure out what I was doing, but I messed up. So this is me basically trying to save paper and moving trying to make space and put everything on one piece of paper so I can save my paper. So you select the object and then hit move. And I just moved it to the first mat instead of me having 2 mats. And so this is my old dusty printer as well, y'all. Everything has been in the basement. I haven't did crafts since 3 years. I was in Germany 3 years. But for real though, you put the paper glossy side down. So when the printer feeds it, or when it feeds into the printer, it'll come out glossy side up. So this is the selection that I use to cut it as well. Printable sticker paper, clear, no liner printing. I don't know what that means, but this is what I selected. And so this is how it looks or comes out once you print it. And now I'm putting it into my Cricut machine so that it can cut it real dusty, okay? Real dusty. And so this is the Cricut just essentially doing what it does. And then it was easy, y'all. This was it after the Cricut cut it. And I really just had to remove the excess paper. And then I put it on my invitations, y'all. Tell me why I put some of them upside down. Oh my God, trying to rush and do it and girl, but it's done. But this is the finished job. I hope you guys liked it. It was real easy. If you have any questions, just let me know. And